another product that we have. Bro, paputian ang usapan. Yes. Sabay-sabay tayo yung tawag dito? White light. Now, sabi nila, Doc, ang naman niyang glutathione. Eh, sang katerba na po ang glutathione sa market natin? But guys, ano daw po ba ang difference ng ating produkto? Ganito kasimple lang yan. When you talk about white light, guys, sabi mo ng mga dermatologists, dapat ang gagamitin natin, L-glutathione. What is the meaning of L? Reduced form, easily absorbed by the body. It has 2,500 milligrams. Sabi rin ng mga derma, pag gumagamit tayo ng gluta, dapat daw po may nakalagay na ascorbic acid. It contains 1,000 milligrams. Why? Pag ang glutathione mo pala walang ascorbic acid, it cannot be able to penetrate the membrane of the cells. At sa ating po, pinagsama na, at paano mo gagamitin? I-shake mo muna. Sublingual spray. Ito, sublingual spray, ilalim ng dila. Tama ho. Let's try to analyze, guys. Pag masyadong mataas pong blood pressure ng mga parents natin, pag emergency po, mga 240 over 120 ang blood pressure, saan po nilalagay ang gamot? Why? It has so many blood vessels. Small blood vessels, which you call as capillaries. So what will happen? Spray the product 3 times a day. And do not swallow your saliva within 20 seconds to 1 minute. Maliwanag po tayo lang. Let it stay under your tongue. Ano mangyayari? Glutathione will be absorbed by the blood vessels. It will go inside the blood vessels. From there, it will travel and will go to different parts of the body, sa mga cells natin, especially your skin. And when you talk about the skin, people, ito yan eh, tunay mo ba yan? We have the so-called melanocytes. Okay, Doc? Melanocytes. Ulitin ko na tawag dito? Melanocytes. People, if you're going to analyze, ang function ng melanocytes is to produce melanin. Okay? Pakita natin kayo ng mga pictures para mas maganda usapan. Okay. Nasaan po yung mga melanin natin? If you're going to analyze, ayun no, nandun yung mga melanocytes. Nasa pinaka-base po nung first layer ng balat kung tawagin epidermis. A better picture, people, ayun yung mga melanocytes natin. Ito. Okay? What else? Ito pa. Yan yung magandang picture ng melanocytes. Okay? And guys, what will these melanocytes do? They will store and produce melanin. Maliwanag po tayo. Siyempre, ang kulay po nito, itim. Kaya kung anong kulay mo ngayon, that is because of your melanin. Anong gagawin po ng products natin? Well, ganito kasimple lang po yan. Glutathione, okay, with vitamin C, will penetrate your cells, these melanocytes, and will inhibit them from producing melanin. Ibig sabihin po, yung balat na lalabas sa'yo, mas maputi na. Now, the basic question is, Doc, kailan ka puputi? Guys, 2 to 3 months. Nito, ba't napakatagal? Because our skin will change, anatomically speaking, 25 to 45 days after. And 2 to 3 months is a safe answer for all of us. But I assure you guys, in a matter of 2 weeks, magsisimula po mag-lighten ng balat natin. Maliwanag ko ba tayo doon? But again, sabi na Doc, paano gamitin po ulit? Okay. Ang glutathione po is also called as GSH, glutathione peroxidase. It's composed of cysteine, glycine, and glutamic acid. Guys, ito po ang paggamit. 3 pops every 4 hours, 4 times a day, 12 pops per day. Waking hours lang po. Paggising lang tayo. Maliwanag ko tayo. Guys, sabi nila, Doc, per puff, magkanong gluta po ang pasok? Times 7.5 milligrams per puff. So, magkano po ang total? It will give you approximately 90 milligrams per day. Okay? Well, Doc, pwede bang dagdagan? Pwede 5 puffs every 4 hours. Maximum 150 milligrams per day. Now, sabi ng ibang uminom ng oral, Doc, hindi ba medyo mababa yata yung sa inyo? Kasi alam namin, pag oral gluta, dapat 10 to 20 milligrams per kilograms per day. So, kung 50 kilos ka, Doc, dapat ang requirement natin, 500 milligrams per day. Tama ba tayo doon? Okay? Baka tanungin tayo. Well, kaklurin ko po. Yung sa ating sublingual, what does it mean? Pag pinaf natin yan, hindi mo na dumadaan sa stomach. So, yung effect po ng acid dun sa produkto, nawawala. Pangalawa, hindi mo na dumadaan ng atay. So, ibig sabihin nun, it will not go through the so-called first pass effect wherein half of the product will be removed by the liver. Maliwanag po tayo. Saan po dumidiretso? Balat agad. Are we clear with that one? Guys, inuulit-ulit ko po. Mamili ka ng part ng katawan mo na pinakamaputi. And usually, kita. At yun po yung part ng gluta o part ng katawan mo na habulin po ng glutathione. Are we clear with that one? Okay. So try to analyze people. Maganda ba ang mga produkto natin? Yes! Okay. And when you talk about glutathione, people, ito po yan. Yung paputian po, uulit-ulitin ko, is just the side effect of glutathione. Ang talagang talag po ng glutathione is also what? Antioxidant. Okay? Now being used for the treatment of cancer patients. People, gusto mong combination ng antioxidant, anti-cancer, in global? C24/7. White Knight. Remember, ang C24/7 meron din cysteine hydrochloride. Maliwanag po tayo. Dok, pampapayat, pwede rin ba ang C24/7? Yes. Kasi ang C24/7 may resveratrol din po. Pag inom mo yun, maglalabas kayo ng hormone na tawag adiponectin na susunugin din ang taba mo. So ang C24/7 pala, Dok, maganda rin combination ng Slim and Trim? Yes. Maliwanag ba tayo? So try to analyze. Maganda ba ang White Knight? Yes. Are you going to use this people? Yes. Maganda rin ba ang Slim and Trim? Yes. Gusto mo bang sumeksi? Yes. Yes, syempre po. At huling-huli po, mas maganda mo ba ang C24/7? Yes. Inuulit-ulit ko. Gusto niyo ba magkasakit? No. Maganda ba ang free radicals? No. Pangit. Mas maganda ba ang antioxidants? Yes. Do you like people na ang katawan mo healthy? Yes. And guys, finally po, maganda ba ang C24/7? Yes. Dahil ba tayo ng produkto na yung global? Yes. Guys, palakpak po sa